God is working through us. And it also gives us a lot of joy to see how God is using us and how God is working in you and all the results that God is giving here. So I feel very much blessed by the fact that we are able to work for God and that we can see all the results of what God is doing through us.
Thank you. Gusto na kayo remind karong Martin na natuto sa buntag, katong nag-ampong mawali siya. Hindi pa siya mawali. Maaari siya mawali. Kasi na itong masaktan na ako ko yung mga interpret ani. Pwede ka mag-aten, natuto yung media sa buntag. Pero wala lang siya rin panyoto. Latay tawag kayo, sayo lang ka magkuman. Kaya malakaw ko. Gusto na ko maglaro, kasi magpapautis luma. Buntag. Let's get. 1. Isa lang? Isa lang? Oh, 2. 2 ka po. Okay. So, let's get 1. Hindi mo makahalit yun. So,